This is wet type electrolytic cell for Hho 2000 oxyhydrogen generator.
This is Hho 2000 oxyhydrogen generator. Here is display screen, and here is pressure gauge. Here is the gas adjustment knob, and here is emergency button. It's wet cell. Compared with dry cell, wet cell has more longer cycle life. Our wet cell made of superb quality stainless steel, which can be used for at least 8 to 10 years without any problems. And the wet cell, no leakage problem. It will reduce maintenance cost greatly.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.